Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, hope you are healthy and fine. I have come again in front of you with a new class today. And today my class is for the students of class 5. Here is my introduction. I am Tauhid Armana, Assistant Teacher, English, Day Shift, Dr. Khastagir Government Girls High School, Chattogram. Today I will take class on English for today, and my class is for the little learners of class 5. Before starting our lesson, let us watch some pictures. There are 4 pictures here. What can you see in these pictures? Some men are running. So we can say this is race. They are playing volleyball. They are playing boxing. And they are playing football. All of these are names of some what? All of these are names of various kinds of sport. Yes. Can you guess what may be our today's lesson? Yes, our today's lesson is sport. The title of our today's lesson is sport. You will get it in your EFT book in Unit 17, and today I will teach you lesson 1 to 6. Learning outcomes. After this lesson, the students will be able to recognize which words in a sentence are stressed, understand statements made by the teacher and students, take part in conversations on appropriate topics, read paragraphs, dialogues, stories, letters, and other texts. And last one, students will be able to take dictation of short and simple paragraphs. Before starting our lesson, I would like to introduce you with some words with their meaning. If you understand the meaning of this word, it will be easier for you to understand the text appropriately and properly. Here is our first word, weightlifting. Here is a man, he is lifting weights. Okay, the meaning of weightlifting meaning is the sport of lifting barbells or other heavy weights. Our second word is good at. Meaning of this word is expert in something. This may be expert in sports, expert in maths, expert in cooking, various kinds of activities. Our next slide. Here is our next slide. Our next word is competition, meaning the activity to win something by defeating over others. Here is a picture of competition. Okay. Our next word is host country. Meaning of this word is A country which organizes an event or provides necessary things for it. Here I have set a picture. Here you can see the country's name, Germany here. Germany is the 20th the 20th Olympics was held in Germany. So we can say that the host country of 20th Olympic was Germany. Our next word is athlete, meaning a person proficient of sport. Okay. Our next word is modern. The meaning of modern is relating to present times. Okay. Modern means relating to present times, it is not relating to past things or past times. Okay. Dear students, let's see some pictures and think about the pictures for a while. You will get these pictures of various kinds of sport in your EFT book, page nong 66. Okay. There are various kinds of sports here. Let's see if we could identify the name of the sports. Here, picture number 1, it is the name of the sport Kabaddi. It is cycling. It is weightlifting. It is badminton. It is cricket. This is swimming. This is volleyball. And this is the picture of football. They are playing football. These are the names of different types of games and sports. Okay. I know you are familiar with these kinds of sports. Now, dear students, open your book at page 66. Okay, this is a dialogue. It is in section B. As it is not possible for me to ask you to act out the dialogue, that's why I am reading out the dialogue alone. Here are two characters we can see, Baichong and Anusha. At first, Baichong says, "Do you play or do any sports?" Then Anusha answers, "I love badminton. I play with my family on weekends. I also go swimming and cycling a lot." Then Baichong says, I play cricket and I do weightlifting." Then Anusha again says, "Weightlifting? Are you strong?" Then Baichong answers, "Not very, but I want to get stronger. My brother is very strong." Anusha again says, "My brother is strong too. He plays kabaddi and volleyball. He's good at sports." Then Baichong says, "I would like to try kabaddi. I would also like to learn how to play volleyball." Then Anusha says, "Volleyball is exciting, but I like playing football more, but I like playing football more." Then Baichung says, "I love football too, but not as much as cricket. That's my favorite sport." Okay, dear students, have you read it? Now I am moving to my next slide. Now we will do some activity. Here is section D, read and circle. You will get it in your EFT book at page number 67. At first, what you have to do? You have to read out the sentence, then you have to circle the correct answer. Here, our first sentence is Anusha plays badminton, volleyball, cricket with her family. Which will be the correct answer? What do you think? Yes, Anusha plays badminton with her family. We have already known it from the text. We have just finished reading it. Our next sentence is Anusha or Baichong or Anusha's brother plays kabaddi. Who plays kabaddi? What do you think? Who plays kabaddi? Anusha's brother plays kabaddi. Number 3, Baichong does not know how to play badminton or football or volleyball. We know that Baichong does not know how to play what? Volleyball. Our fourth number sentence is Anusha likes football or cricket or cycling more than football. Which one Anusha likes best? Let's see. Anusha likes football more than volleyball. Anusha likes volleyball, but she likes football more than volleyball. Okay? Then last one, football or cricket or weightlifting is Baichong's favorite sport. Okay? Let's see which will be our correct answer. Yes, cricket is Baichong's favorite sport. Okay, dear students. Next. Here is another activity. You will find it in section F. See, read the dialogue again. Write, go, play or do before each of the sports. Here are the name of some sports. Then write a sentence about each sport. What do you have to do at first? At first, these are go, play, do. These are verbs. You have to put these verbs here. Then after that, you have to make a sentence with that sport. Okay? Now, let's see. Number 1, play badminton. Number 2, play cricket. Number 3, go cycling. Number 4, play football. Number 5, play kabaddi. Number 6, go swimming. And number 7, play volleyball. And number 8, do weightlifting. We have used do only once here. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to write a sentence about each sport. Number first sentence. He plays badminton in the evening. Okay. You can make another sentence with badminton as you like. Our next sentence, we have to make a sentence with play cricket. We like to play cricket. Number 3, go cycling. Here I have made a sentence with go cycling. I go cycling in the afternoon. Number 4, play football. They play football. Number 5, play kabaddi. We play kabaddi together. Number 6, go swimming. Sometimes I go swimming in the river. Number 7, play volleyball. I play volleyball with my friends. Number 8, do weightlifting. We do weightlifting in the morning. Okay, dear students, here I have made sentences as my choice. You can make sentences as your choice. Okay? Try it at home. Here is a flag. You can see a flag here. Do you know the flag? I think all of you know the flag. All of you are familiar with this flag. Where is it used and why? Can you tell me? Yes, dear students. This flag is used for Olympic Games. The colors of the rings in the flag have been chosen from the first time participant countries' flags. It indicates an all-out unity. Dear students, open your book at page Nong 68. Here is your text. I am reading out the text. What you have to do? You have to listen to me carefully. Okay? It is in section H. The Olympic Games is the biggest sports competition in the world. The Olympics are held every 4 years in a different host city. These are the logo of various host cities, and various Olympics are held in various countries. More than 200 nations sent a total of about 13,000 athletes to compete in more than 30 different sports. The first Olympic Games was held in Greece almost 3,000 years ago. The modern Olympic Games started in 1896 and there have been 31 Olympic competitions since then. Here it is Athens 1896. We know that the modern Olympic Games started in 1896 and there have been 31 Olympic competitions since then. First Olympic Games was held in Greece, which is Athens. Athens is the city of Greece. Now, we will do another activity. It is in section I. Read the text again and answer the questions. You have to read the text in section H again, and you try to find out the answer of these questions. There are 6 questions here. Our first question, how often are the Olympics held? Second question, how many countries compete in the Olympics? Third number question, how many athletes compete in the Olympics? Fourth question, how many sports are there in the Olympics? Fifth question, when was the first Olympics held? Our sixth question, when did the modern Olympic Games begin? You will find out the answer of this question in section H. Here I have prepared the answer for you. Let's match the answer with me. The answer of question number 1 is, the Olympic Games is the biggest sports competition in the world. The Olympic Games are held every 4 years in a different host city. Our second question, the answer of our second question, how many countries compete in the Olympics? More than 200 nations compete in the Olympics. Then, how many athletes compete in the Olympics? Answer is, a total of 13,000 athletes compete in the Olympics. Our fourth number answer, there are more than 30 different sports in the Olympics. Our fifth number question, when was the first Olympics held? The first Olympics was held in Greece almost 3,000 years ago. Our last question, when did the modern Olympic Games begin? The answer is, the modern Olympic Games began in 1896. Okay, dear students. Try to read the answer again and try to understand it properly. Here is evaluation. Now I will test you how much you could learn from our today's lesson. Write the answer on your answer paper. This is the choose the best answer from the alternatives activity actually. Our first question, how many nations take part in Olympic? The answer is, you know the answer. Answer is 200. 200 nations take part in Olympic. Our next question, where was the first Olympic Games held? We have already learned about it. The first Olympic Games was held in where? Is it in France? No, it is in Greece. Our third number question, when did the modern Olympic Games start? Okay, let's see the answer. The modern Olympic Games started in 1896. How many years are there between two Olympic Games? You have already known it from your text. Yes, of course. There are 4 years between two Olympic Games. Okay, you have got the answer. Now, I am going to my next slide. Here, it is a homework actually, though I have named it homework, but actually this is not that type of homework. What you have to do, you have to read the text again at home very much attentively, and you have to do the activity again by yourself. Okay? Although we have discussed about the answer of those activities, but I would like to tell you to try those again at home. it will be very much easier for you. Okay, dear students, I have already come to the end of my lesson. I would like to say you thank you for watching my class, and before going home, so dear students, stay home, stay safe, and be healthy, wealthy, and wise always. Pray for us. Okay. Khuda Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.